Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Norma with Mommy's Designs. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys some items that I purchased from Amazon. And I will also put the link in the description box. For those of you who love making candles or who are thinking about making candles, I think this is a very nice kit that I found. And I decided that I wanted to open it to show you guys what I got. I just got it this morning and I was very happy that I got it. So the price of this set was $22. The very first item that I got is the pouring pot, and this one measures up to 600 milliliters. Okay, so it's a pouring pot and it's a stainless steel. It has this here, so it makes it easier to pour the candle into the into the little glasses. And I got with it, let's open this here. I got 100 candle wicks. There's a lot. It's 100 of them. So I got 100 of these candle wicks, and then I also got 20 that I really haven't tried before, and I'm very excited to try them. I have only done my candles with the wax wick, so I haven't tried this one. I think this is my next step. So I got 20 wood natural wicks, and they have the they come with the metal stand. So this is something to try. Okay, it comes with the, I believe, this is my first time, so I'm just thinking that it goes like this, just like that. Okay, so I got 20 of those, and I also got 20 stickers. That these are these have glue on both sides. So the idea of this is that you put this in the bottom, right in the middle of your glass, and peel this off, and then you can put your either the wood wick over it or the wax wick over it, and it keeps it right in place, so you don't have to use anything else to keep it in the middle. But they also added, I think this is a zippy one, 3 of the holder the center devices. Okay, I have about a dozen of these, but it's always like when I make a big batch, it's nice to have extra ones. Okay, so I got 3 of those. And the final item that I got that I really wish I can just buy these by themselves is this little spoon and to stir the wax, and it's also stainless steel. I got these 3 that I've been wanting to try to make tea light candles, and this is my chance to try them. I didn't want to buy a whole bunch of them and then not able to use them, so these are 3 of them. I got 3 of them so I can sample my tea light candles. So this is all for me, you guys. I hope you find these useful, and if you like the content of my videos, if you can like, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give me thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Other than that, I will see you in the next video, and may the Lord bless you and keep you safe every day. Talk to you soon.